Hello all, this is Tamilselvan from Grade 10B. So our next topic in the AI is list and tuples. So first we will learn about the list first and after that tuples. So what is list? So it is a sequence of values of any type. So the values in this lists are called elements or items. So here the list is enclosed in square brackets. So yeah, a list can also have another list as an item. So this is called nested lists. You can see A is equal to square bracket 1, 2, 3, double colon, hello, close double colon, then close square brackets. So here the values in the list are called elements, and these are enclosed in a square brackets. So how to create a list in the Python? So in Python programming, a list is created by placing all the items elements inside a square bracket, and it is separated by commas. So it can have any number of items, and they may be a different types like integer, float, string, etc. So you can also example, you can also give hashtag empty list, then hashtag list of integers, age is equal to square bracket 15, 12, 18, then close square brackets. So by this you can create. So how to access the elements of a list? So a list is, you all know that a list is made up of various elements which need to be individually accessed on the base of applications. So there are two ways to access an individual elements. One is a list index and negative indexing. So how to add elements to a list? Using append method, and using a insert method, and using an extend method. So using insert method, it only works for addition of elements and at the end of a list. For addition of the element at the desired position, insert method is used. So unlike the append method, which takes only one argument, insert method requires two arguments. One is a positive and one is a value. So other than the append and insert methods, there is another one method for addition of elements, that is extend method. So this method is used to add multiple number of elements at the same time and also at the end of the list. So how to remove elements from a list? So elements from a list can be removed using two methods. One is using a remove method and using a pop method. So removed from the list by using a bulletin remove functions may error erases if elements doesn't exist in the set. So next one is tuples. So tuple, it is a collection of a Python objects which is ordered and unchangeable. So here the sequence of values stored in a tuple can be any type, and they are indexed by integers. So values of the tuples are syntactically separated by commas. So although it is not necessary, it is more common to define a tuple by closing the sequence of values in a parenthesis. So example, you can use fruits is equal to bracket double colon apple and close double colon comma banana double colon then comma cherry and close bracket. So how to create a tuple in Python? So in Python, tuples are created by placing sequence of values separated by commas. With or without the use of parentheses for grouping the data. So it can also contain any number of elements of any data types like strings, integers, legs, etc. So here hashtag creating an empty tuple, then tuple 1 is equal to comma. So how to access the tuples? So example, fruit is equal to close apple, banana, cherry, and close print fruits close bracket 1. So the above program code will give the input as banana. So how to delete a tuple? So tuples are immutable, and hence they do not allow the deletion of a part of it. So entire tuple gets deleted by the use of del method. So you cannot separate or one part. You should entire tuple gets deleted by using this method. So what are the difference between the list and tuple? So in list, you all know that the group of commas separated values within the square brackets. So within the square brackets, the group of commas is separated, whereas in the tuple, the group of commas separated values within the parentheses are optional. So and in a list, these objects are mutable. So and in the tuple, these objects are immutable. So and in list, it cannot be used as a key, and tuple, it can be used as a key. So here we cannot delete an entire part, and there we should delete an entire part to delete the program of a tuple. So I hope you understood the list and tuples very clearly, and I will meet you in the second session. So thanks for watching. Bye.